Current Affairs, April 2025, Part 2. What is the total amount of funding allocated to Kisan Support Package? 5 billion, 10 billion, 15 billion, 25 billion. The correct answer 5 billion are allocated for the Kisan Support Package. Who opposed the two canal projects on Indus River? Bilawal Bhutto, Nawaz Sharif, Imran Khan, none of these. Actually, Bilawal People Party opposed the controversial project of two canals in Indus River. Where was fast food chain worker were killed? Lahore, Sheikhupura, Islamabad. Recently, an incident was occurred in which Sheikhupura, a fast food chain worker, was killed. Where was the massive explosive repeated on April 26, 2025? The Tehran International Airport, Shahid Raji Airport, Bushra Nuclear Plant, Iranian Parliament Building. An incident was occurred Shahid Raji Port and a massive explosion was occurred on daytime round about 12:30. Iran. To what percentage did the World Bank revise Pakistan's economic growth forecast? 1.8, 2.3, 2.7. The correct 2.7. Pakistan economic growth was revised to 2.7 expected forecast. How many tourists were reported killed in Pahalgam attacks? 16, 21, 26, 31. The correct answer 26 tourists were killed in Pahalgam attack. When was the last time Indian administrative Kashmir experienced a militant attack of this magnitude? The previously 2020 Pulwama attack was occurred in Indian Kashmir occupied Kashmir. How did India initially respond to attack? Closing the main border, suspending the water sharing treaty, expelling the diplomat. Actually, India all three actions. Closing the main border crossing, suspending a water sharing treaty, and expelling diplomats. Thank you.